Hey everyone!
This is Matt and Cat Things. I know it's been a long time since we made one of these videos. I had planned on shooting a bunch more videos. You see people on YouTube shooting almost every day in a project like this, and honestly I don't know how they do it. This project consumes you. I mean, every day you're knee deep in it.
Plus, if you see our video on our 2018 goals, our biggest goal was to see more family.
And we've definitely done that. Since we moved here in March, since we retired from Virginia, moved here in March, we've been to Spain twice. We found out that our daughter and son-in-law are expecting a baby. So we've been to Spain twice already. And our other daughter and son-in-law living in Colorado, we went out and visited them once too. So all told, that's been some time taken away from the schedule to work on the house. But when we're here, we're at it, and you know, it's all good. I think the last video we did was something about demo is not complete. And when we left you, the downstairs bathroom, we basically had to rip the floor out, all the joists out, and rebuild that thing from scratch. So you'll see some video here in a minute of that thing coming back together.
So we just wanted to put out a quick video to show you what phase we're in now.
Yep, we made some good progress. We've got a long way to go, but you can see what we've been up to basically summer through the fall. Y'all take care. Bye. I'm glad I put a level on this because I was pretty sure I was going to be able to use these studs for the shower enclosure, but nope. So this was the bathroom that we took the whole floor out, previous video. And so had to replace some of the floor joists. Got the new subfloor in. Shower is roughed in. This will be the back of a laundry closet. And then vanity, toilet. Got all this work boxed in, getting ready to go. Hiding all the ducting chases. This will be a nice little bathroom when it's done. Here's the master bedroom. Got some drywall up, insulation, looking good, getting ready to run some circuits for lights. You know, at first this project started flying by. We were doing demo. Every day you see something, you know, you're rocking right through the progress, feels good. But then we came to like a screeching halt for months from what you saw standpoint. We really started getting into systems, you know, heating, electrical, plumbing. This house basically has all new plumbing, all new ductwork, and tuning up the furnaces. And we'll have all new electrical. We've been doing electrical as we've been needing different circuits for different places. So here's some of my handiwork with the ducting. This old ducting was nasty. Lots and lots of years and years of crud built up. So took the bonnets off, cleaned them out, resized all the ductwork for the proper sizes, got nice big cold air returns now. All new ductwork going to every room. Rooms that didn't have any ductwork now have ductwork. I don't know if you can see that. And we're not talking about one furnace. We have two, so same thing for the other apartment. We didn't really have any heating on the second floor, so we had to bust through some areas to get new ductwork, run upstairs. So now all the upstairs bedrooms have heating. Good job, Kat. Looking good.
I've been going through all the upstairs bedrooms, the exterior walls, getting them ready for drywall. Put all the insulation in.
Here's more of Kat's handiwork. Getting all these exterior walls insulated. Huge deal. One thing we needed to do was to get the old furnaces to work with new modern thermostats. And so the old 2 wires, you can't get power up to a modern thermostat. So we had to install a 24-volt transformer and get power up here. But so now we got the new EcoBees and we can control the heat from, over the Wi-Fi while we're away. All new plumbing. Just about every inch of it's been replaced. This is going to be one of the new powder rooms. So washer dryer right there, vanity, toilet. We'll get this room drywalled here next, insulated and drywalled next. One of the big problems we had is that we couldn't fit anything up the stairs. We couldn't get a queen mattress in there. So this is one side, and you can see the closet from that bedroom used to go over the stairs. So what we've done is, to make headroom, is cut that back part of the closet out, and then you can see what will be the closet. It won't be as deep, but there'll be a little wall that goes up here and then ceiling over, so you have storage above in the closet. And then we'll do some a little laundry closet here facing there, and then shelves facing into the closet from the master, if that makes any sense. But we got this side going, and then this side is next. One of the things that's taking this project so long is every single thing you dive into ends up having 100 more steps than you thought. So for instance, we installed new cold air returns, nice big 12-inch cold air returns. But this floor here, from about here to that wall, dove down like 3 inches. So we had to take all those planks off, and of course none of them came up without breaking, and shim the top of the floor. Underneath there, it's almost a 2-inch shim. And then put the finished floor back down, so it would have the finished floor height for the cold air return box. So what you thought would be cut in a cold air return box ends up taking up, 100 square foot of flooring and patching it back together. Here's some of the wires that we've pulled out and running all new stuff. Eventually everything will be new. This is so far. I can't express enough how beautiful the fall has been here in Maine. We are extremely grateful to have had the opportunity to move back here and enjoy every bit of it. Well, that's it. We wish you all the best. Until next time. Bye. Hey everyone.
This is Matt and Cat Things. Things. No.
Hey everyone.
No.
Hey everyone.
This is. Wait, stop.
One more. Oh yeah.
This is Matt and Cat Things. I don't like the way I say that. How about if I say hey everyone?
Okay.
Hey everyone. Wait. Wait, do it once more.
The camera.
I mean, can I look over at you this way?
Sure, do whatever you want. Hey everyone.
No. I'm doing everyone.